Improve the quality of your floor cleaning with the Floor Cleaning Squeeze Mop, an effective and easy-to-use tool that makes tedious cleaning chores seem effortless. This mop is more than just a cleaning tool, it's your home's unsung hero, equipped to handle spills and stains like a cleaning pro. Crafted with more practicality than a Swiss Army knife, the Floor Cleaning Squeeze Mop is set to make your cleaning endeavors as seamless as a choreographed dance. Picture it as your cleaning sidekick, gliding across your floors with ease and leaving behind a trail of cleanliness. And let's talk about versatility. This mop isn't just for spills, it's the floor rejuvenator for your entire living space. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that understands the importance of spotless floors. No more wrestling with bulky equipment or dealing with ineffective cleaning methods. What makes this cleaning marvel stand out? It's not just about mopping, it's about adding a touch of convenience to your cleaning routine. No more wringing out a soggy mop head with your hands or resorting to complicated contraptions. The Floor Cleaning Squeeze Mop is here to make every swipe a controlled and mess-free experience. It's like having a mop that understands the art of efficiency. Moreover, this mop is a time-saving genius. In a world where every minute counts, it's the cleaning virtuoso that swiftly deals with spills and grime, letting you focus on enjoying your clean living space. It's like having a personal cleaning maestro, turning your floor maintenance into a quick and efficient routine. But hold on, there's more. The Floor Cleaning Squeeze Mop is also your ticket to easy maintenance. With its removable and often machine washable mop head, keeping your mop in top shape is as simple as tossing it into the laundry. It's like having a self-cleaning mop, minus the need for a mop bucket. And do not be alarmed if you are among those who doubt its durability. This long-lasting cleaning marvel has a robust construction that can withstand the ups and downs of your cleaning expeditions. To sum up, the Floor Cleaning Squeeze Mop is more than just a cleaning tool, it's your home's unsung maintenance hero. It is an essential tool for anyone looking to infuse efficiency into their cleaning routine because of its useful design, adaptability, and time-saving features. I'll see you in the next one, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.